In India, we have a tropical climate. We will be receiving a lot of rainfall and harsh sunlights. These weathering actions is leading our structures like terraces, external walls getting cracked. These cracks are taking the water into the structure when it rains heavily. These cracks will ultimately reduce the lifespan of the building. These cracks needs to be treated with the waterproofing. This waterproofing is better to be done by the skilled waterproofer. Many people will have a misconception, if we can do only the paint at terrace, it will stop the waterproofing. But definitely that's not correct. When we do the paint on our terrace, that will not stop the water seepage into our terraces or our external walls. Paints are only for the aesthetic purposes, not for the waterproofing. Paints will have a very minimal thickness and where the paints will not have UV resistance. But when it comes to the waterproofing is a different part where it will give a required thickness and it will arrest the water. To do this waterproofing, we need a skilled applicator for that. In a waterproofing, there are many companies, but most of the people prefer to have a Dr. Fixit waterproofing nowadays. Dr. Fixit has got a 15 years of legacy and it is day to day improvising their products to give a better solution in the waterproofing and as well as in the construction chemicals. We have a product called Dr. Fixit Roof Seal Top Coat. This product we generally apply on the terraces and for the parapet walls. This product we having a elasticity properties where it will cover the cracks in the terraces or parapet walls, which is having a PU hybrid powered with nanotechnology, which will give the uniform strength for the coatings. The surface temperature will reduce by 10 degrees. In the Dr. Fixit Roof Seal Top Coat, we get a 7 years of warranty, and like another products, we get in the standard 3 colors like white, grey or terracotta. But in our Roof Seal Top Coat, we can tint it with any colors of our choice. After all this, I would like to conclude it as paint is not your waterproofing material. Better use Dr. Fixit Roof Seal Top Coat as your waterproofing material.